भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीशौकिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी विश्वानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी वै प्रिया वै केशवस्य कृष्णभक्ति कवि देवी सत्तै नमो श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द यद्वैत गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे सर्वमंगल गुरुवार को नित्यलीला सविक्रम विष्णुपाद और पुत्रवर्तमान भक्ति राम महाराज एवं नित्यलीला और पुत्रवर्तमान शिवानंद तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला वैष्णव विष्णुपाद और पुत्रवर्तमान भक्ति महाराज एवं समस्त वैष्णव की शरण कमलों में मेरा जठाज प्रणाम स्वीकार।
Yesterday, yeah. Chapter 10, no sorry, Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, Chapter 28, no? Chapter 28, like we just spoke about how the Brahminis have darshan of Krishna. Like then yesterday we spoke to about Nanda Maharaj, how when he was having on Dwadasi, after Ekadasi, he was having a snan before the Brahma Muhurt in Ashurik Kal. Then Varun Devas took Nanda Maharaj to Varun Lok. Then all the Brajvasis were all looking for Nanda Maharaj in Braj. Nandaghat. So it wasn't like, he's asking a question that Nand Baba's house was far and the Snan Ghat, near Yamuna, that's far. So Maharaj said, like some to take 84 parikrama, like devotees who do the parikrama like this, they stay where they do the parikrama, then they would take rest there. So it's not like a big thing that Nand Baba's house was very far to Yamuna's Ghat. Krishna, what did Krishna do? He by the arrangement of Yog Maya, he went to Varun Lok, and the Varun Dev they worshipped Krishna, they respect, they welcomed Krishna, and they did all the pujas to Krishna. And then after that, Varun Dev did all the stutis and asked for forgiveness. That we brought your Pitaji here, so he asked for the forgiveness from Krishna. And then puja. Upakar. Upahar.
उपहार दे दिया और फिर नंद महाराज ने उनके साथ दे दिया। नंद महाराज
then when Nanda Maharaj came to Vrindavan, back to Braj, and he told everyone, he spoke about what happened in Varun Lok. So like how they welcomed him, and then how they did the stutis or prayers. And then, so after listening to all that, the Brajvasis had a desire to go to Varun Lok. So Bhagavan thought that my mother and father, they are Nitya Parikar. They don't understand the importance, the Mahima, the glorification of them, that who they are really Nitya Parikar. And still, yeah, they are the manifestation of Krishna, they are the Prakash, Shakti of Krishna. So so Devtas, they come under Jiva Tattva. You do Puna Karma, you do all these pious activities, and then you get a birth in a heavenly planets. So then that's like still a Jiva Tattvas. So like they mean good. And my mother and father, they are not Jiva Tattva, they are Parikar Tattva. So we also spoke about Jiva Tattva and Parikar Tattva for the past couple of days. Then Krishna went with Krishna took all the Brajvasis, went to Vaikunt, and they had darshan of Vaikunt. That Vaikunt Dham, it's not even equal to the dust of Vrindavan. Even the dhuli, even the dhuli, the dust of Vrindavan is you cannot you cannot compare it even to the Vaikunt Lok. So here Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says he did the glorification of Vrindavan. That even the Brajvasis, the residents of the Braj, they don't even know the glorification, they don't know the Mahima of Vrindavan. And in Brahma Samhita it says, where is this? Vrindavan is a Chintamani. Wherever Brajvasis are walking, they are walking like dance. When they are walking, it's like as if they are dancing. Their walking is like very like a dancer. When the dancer is ready to dance, like she dances with whose katha, the speech is so sweet that it attracts everyone. And
तो ये सब वृंदावन की महिमा यहाँ पर वर्णन कर रहे हैं। महाकारुणिक स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण वृंदावन के माधुर्य ब्रजवासियों की अनुभव करने पाए, क्योंकि माधुर्य उसी के
wherever there is Aishwarya,
इसी प्रकार रहते हैं।
where Aishwarya is,
वो ऐश्वर्य के लोग ऐश्वर्य नहीं मानते।
they don't believe in Aishwarya. The Brajvasis don't believe in Aishwarya.
क्योंकि ऐसे यदि ऐसे नहीं हो तो वो लीला पूरी नहीं होती.
So if there is then if there is no Ishwarya either, then also the Leela will not be complete.
कृष्ण की समस्त प्रकार इच्छा को पूर्ण करने वाले.
So all the Brajvasis, they want to, it's not like even the trees, they also want to fulfill all the desires of Krishna. The trees, like if you look at a tree, that looks like an ordinary tree. Even the trees want to fulfill the desires of Krishna. In the Sargo, even the trees in Indralok, in the heavenly planets, that also you cannot compare it to the trees in Vrindavan. Parijat Vriksha. They are very proud of the tree in heavenly planets called Parijat tree. That in Vrindavan, the trees, in the Vrindavan, all the trees and the plants in Vrindavan are Chinmay Swarup. They are transcendental. Chinmay Swarup. Our Raghunath Das Goswami saying, speaking in Vrindavan Dham. Even the animals and the birds, animals, trees and the plants of the Braj there is nothing that's unfavorable, there is nothing that's practical. Everything is favorable for the seva of Krishna. There is nothing, everything is practical, everything is favorable, nothing's unfavorable, practical. Even the sharp, even the snakes, even the scorpion, even the spider, even the poisonous scorpions, they all are there. All these animals are there, even the poisonous animals are there, but they are all anukul. They are not practical. Even the snake is there also in Golok Vrindavan. Even the snakes are there, but they are not. But they are all favorable for the seva of Krishna, for the seva for the Krishna. Even the ser, even the lion, even the tiger, even the deer. All the animals, all the different types of species are there. Then you can ask a question, what is the purpose of the ser there? What is the... They don't eat meat. They are not non-veg like Sher are not. They are not meat eaters. They say right. They are not the lions. They are not. There is also deer there. So deers are there. The lion is running after the deer. Tiger. Sorry, not lion. Beg your pardon. Ser is not a lion. So I'm right. Sorry, Ser is lion. So when the Radha and Krishna Milan, Abhishar means meeting of Radha and Krishna. Then when she goes to go and meet Krishna, it's dark. That Abhishar Naika is Repa. When she goes, Radhaji, when she's going to go and meet Krishna, there is 2 or 3 sakhis with her, and that is called Abhishar. One is called Krishna Paksha Abhisari, and another one is Sukla Paksha. There's two paksha, Krishna paksha and Sukla paksha, like Amarvasya Purnima. So like when it's the full moon, and when there's a dark moon, like so when she's going to go and meet Krishna at night, it's like very dark. Amavasya means there's dark moon. It's very dark. It's like dark, and it's also a rainy season. So it's raining as well. So when Radharani is walking, it's like they say, the lion is roaring, and the elephant is making a sound, and the deers are making sound. Like they're drinking water. The deers are drinking water. It should say the lion, the deer, the snake. It's there. It's Yog Maya. Just to to make the lila more variety, like more. Even Sharp is not. Sharp is also not there. It's the Yog Maya who takes the form of the snake and it's the Yog Maya who takes the form of the lion just for the lila sake. So when Krishna tried to when Krishna was Radharani was in Man, Krishna tried to pacify her so much, and when Krishna played the flute and he attracted everyone's heart, Radharani is also not ordinary. When Krishna, she didn't want to hear the flute of the Krishna, so what did she do? She puts cotton in her ears because she didn't want to hear the flute of Krishna. So where did the rui come from? Where did the cotton come from? So even the Yog Maya, when Krishna is doing meditation of Radharani, and then that said, like just looking at the rui, he said, like just looking at it, the cotton plant just appears. Like she thinks of it, and the cotton plants appear. Like so Gurudev used to go. Sorry, I didn't understand that. Yes. If somebody is swearing at you, just put cotton in your ears. Cotton in your ears. So, whatever they speak, you will never hear. You know that you use that, I don't know what you call it in English, but you use it to clean the rice, like you do up and down. So what Gurudev used to say, if you put cotton wool in your ears, then if somebody is swearing, then you will not listen to them. So Radhaji is thinking that when Krishna plays the bansi, the flute, the sound from that flute is very khatanak, is very dangerous. Ramban. The ban. The arrow. Karkas. There's a karkas. Like yesterday we spoke about it. Karkas is the like which holds the arrow. That you put it on your back, that holds the arrow. So and that only carried one arrow. And that arrow, when he threw, it came returned back. When Ram threw that arrow returned back to him. That is called Ramban. So Radhaji is thinking. So she put rui, she was thinking about rui, and the cotton just appeared. And so she put the cotton in her ear. So now Krishna is saying, how will I be able to pacify her? What did the Radhaji do? She started to think about Yog Maya. The rasta, the road that Radhika is walking on, the path,
स्वयं योग माया की एक
So what did the Yog Maya? The Yog Maya just became a snake,
5-6 फुट
like 6 foot snake,
काले सर्प जो है कृष्ण सर्प
like a black
ऐसे
snake,
मन को
like a
उठाए।
black snake with his hood up,
अब
like
फस
you
फस
know,
फस फस
and
करके लाल लाल उसकी
his
आँख
he had red
ऐसे
eyes,
करके और
so,
जीवन जिया जीव जैसे
and the tongue was like out, you know,
पहले बाएं
red
तरफ नहीं
tongue.
जा सकते डाइन तरफ
And the
नहीं जा सकते।
snake, and the
दोनों
Radhaji
तरफ
saw the snake,
जंगल
and
भी है
she's
और कांटे भी है
like there's a jungle on the side, and there's a thorny trees there as well.
राधा जी
So
ने
she couldn't go back. So what did
कृष्ण
Radha
कृष्ण
say?
महाबाहु
So she said, "Hey Krishna, Krishna Mahabhavu, hey Raksha Karo, protect me. Hey Krishna, protect me."
शास्त्र वस्तुरं विष्णुं जांचे आपमा विशस्त्रे नमोदियन्ते अवन्यते। यही तो वृंदावन धाम की विशेष वैशिष्ट्य। अपराकित गोल वृंदावन धाम में जितने भी प्राणी समूह है जीवात्मा सब कृष्ण की लीला के अनुकूल प्रतिकूल कोई नहीं।
There's nothing that's particular.
देखने से प्रतिकूल लगता है।
Particle. There's nothing unfavorable. It externally it looks like as if it's unfavorable. You know, like it's scary, like the snakes and the lions. They are scary, but they are all favorable.
दो एक कोई सिटी को ले गया रूप मंदिर और रति मंदिर।
Rupa Manjari or Rati Manjari.
द्वितीय नस्त हस्ता स्कंद हस्ता स्वयं राधा जी जा रही है और अपने द्वितीय सखियों के कान पर हाथ रख रहे थे। देखो अंधकार लगती है दिखाई नहीं पड़ती है वहां पर कांटे नहीं है।
There's also Kante, even the thorns are there. Thorns are there. Also thorns are serving. Like if you look at them, they look like thorns. Babul plant. Kokru. That's part of name of the plant. Kokru.
तो वहां पर ही कांटे नहीं।
Even there, the snakes are, the thorns are there. Sometimes the thorns prick Radharani's lotus feet, but they are
वहां पर क्या है कि अंधकार रात्रि घना
like it's andhakar, it's dark. So now Radharani is going to go and meet Krishna, and she's Rimjim, the rain is falling, and it's really not dark, so dark she couldn't even see where she's going to put her foot. It's so dark, it's really andhakar, you cannot see anything. And Radhaji is walking, and then she's got a hand on the Sakhi's shoulder, and the lion is roaring, like to to frighten her. Like the lion are roaring, they're saying, but they're saying which direction Radharani is going into. So to meet Krishna, why are they showing this? So why have this? So all the bandhavas, like all the obstacles there are, all the restrictions there are, that's set up by the family of that. So to meet Krishna is not easy. That she has to go through so many things, so much difficulty. Like when you go to Parvat, to climb the mountain, there is cold, there is hot, there is baraf, there is snow, there's so many types of obstacles. Then you can climb the mountain Himalayas, the Himalaya mountain. So they are showing this Leela. Why? That to meet Krishna, there's so much difficulties, there's so much bandha, there's so much obstacles. It's not that stupid. But this is actually, it's not there. But see, this is for just the purpose of Leelas. That they show us that, it's so difficulty, there's so much difficulty one has to go through to have darshan of Krishna or to meet Krishna. So like Lalita Devi is teaching to Radharani, hey Radharani, how will you meet Krishna? How should you go and meet Krishna? You are the princess. You are the princess. You are the Vrishabhanu's daughter. Like you have never put your soft feet. Your feet are like so soft. Soft. Lal. I don't know. Like as if Ratul Jal is like your feet are so red. Like when you put one foot on the top, or both, like you lift on one and put the lift feet on the, like as if it's so common, so soft. It's like, like as if it's going to bleed. Like these small babies, like if the babies are fed, like even if they put their foot on something that's hard or sharp, then their feet will start bleeding. So Radharani's lotus feet are like that. They are so soft, even like the petals, like the flower petals. So how can she go to meet Krishna to Vrindavan? So Lalita is teaching Radharani that first you try to practice how to walk bare feet. Try to practice to walk bare feet. Then Lalita Devi is saying, what does Lalita Devi arrange? Lalita Devi arranges, then she puts water on the ground. Like kitchen, it gets muddy. Also she puts like pebbly sharp, like small stones also. Like pebbles, I would say, not stones, pebbles. Then she's walking, then Radharani is walking, then sometimes she falls down. Because it's andhakar, it's very dark, and also it's raining. So then you will not see where the thorns are. Then how will you go? Our Chandidas is in the Vidyapati. So it's Paris. So it was rainy season. So at night, then Lalita is saying, then how will you be saved from a snake? The snakes will be there. So go to Bhagu Rishi. So go to Bhagu Rishi and learn the mantra. Go and learn the... Actually, Vrindavan is not like that. It's just to lil, just to do this Utkasta, just to do this Madhurya Prakash Leela. That's why it's arranged like that. Vrindavan is a very Madhur Dham. Whatever is there, it's all, there's nothing that's practical, unfavorable. A Prakat and a Prakat Leela. Prakat Leela, that's there's no Ashur Murti, there's no Putana. Prakat Leela means the Leela that's happening in the transcendental Golok Vrindavan. There's no Putana there. Then why is Putana's Leela in Aprakat Leela? But there, what is it? Bhav Matra. The Bhav is there. There is no Krishna Janma Leela, but there is Bhav Leela. Even Yog Maya arranges in such a way. Boy, there is no Asur, there is no demons there. Just for the purpose of the Leela, that Yog Maya, she herself manifest just for to arrange the Radha and Krishna's Leela. So that the Vrindavan is Aprakat Leela. The Vrajvasis who live in the Vrindavan, they don't understand this. They don't even know their own Swarup. They don't know their Swarup. Just like Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying that Swayam Bhagwan, so Swayam Krishna took Brajvasis and took them to Brahmalok.
चतुर्ष ब्रह्मणोलोके जत्राप्रो अगाध पुराण पूर्व काल अपूर्व जिस प्रकार यमुना में स्नान के समय
I mean, Akrur, when he was having snan in Yamuna and he had darshan of Balaram and Krishna as Lord Vishnu, then so
यहाँ पर एक कथा भी वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं कब वेदिस सुंदरी कथा जब वहाँ पर ले गए कृष्ण जब उनको ले गए ब्रजवास के लिए
when the Krishna took the Brajvasis to Varun Lok,
वहाँ पर गए
when they went there,
देखा कृष्ण वहाँ पर बैठे हुए
Krishna is sitting there. Aishwarya. Krishna is Aishwarya, and everybody is paying respects to Krishna, and Krishna is not talking to anyone. He's not even talking to Brajvasis. He's not talking to anyone. And the Brajvasis got a bit sad. He said, "Are Kanaya, the Kanaya we know." And they started to cry. Hey Kanaya, just please take us back to Brajavas. This Ishwarya Dham we don't need.
अनंतर कृष्ण समस्त ब्रजवासियों को जो है उस धाम से ब्रज में
So then Krishna took all the Brajvasis back to Braj.
इस प्रकार आगे करना वर्णन करते हैं सुखदेव
Goswami Pad
महाराज के निकट कृष्ण की अनेकों लीला कथा
and spoke about Krishna's Leela to Parikshit Maharaj, many different Leelas.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद के हृदय में
In Sukadev's heart, there is nothing. There was no utsav. Like he doesn't have so much desire to other kathas. But he had more. He liked the katha of the Braj Leelas. That other kathas is just for the garmis and to. Actually, Sukadeva was totally absorbed in the Braj Leelas. So this the Brajvasis heart, if you, whatever you speak, you may speak so much, but if you don't speak the Braj Katha, heart is not really satisfied. That's why Sukadeva Goswami Pada. And he spoke many Braj Kathas to Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj asked one question: Hey Brahman, hey Gurudev, hey Trikalita, I want to ask one question. Somebody is going to die. They are about to die. Then what if you give them a Gyan and Vairagi Katha, then what fayda, what benefit is to that person who's just about to die? So he's nearly going to leave his body. Doctor said that you will leave your body in the next 1 or 2 days. If we speak to them about Gyan Katha or Vairagya Katha, is it going to benefit to them? Like they are just that he's got a fear, he's got a fear about he's got fear of death. So even if you speak Gyan and Vairagya Katha to them, actually you speak that for the Varuna Katha, the Katha, actually when they speak about it when somebody is dying, because when somebody is dying, the family is mourning, and they're lamenting. So that's when that Katha is spoken, that the Katha of Vairagya, like everyone has to die or not, yeah? Then the Brahmins will give this dakshina, this dan.
नंगा करके तुमको छोड़ दूंगी। एक तो तुम दुखी हो
Wait, the one you are suffering because you lost a family member, then the Brahmins will come and then say, "Oh, do this done, do this much done, do this much money." They, you know, the one you are already lamenting, and then they'll make you naked. Naked means they'll take everything from you.
यहाँ पर ये कथा करें सुखदेव गोस्वामी पास
So here,
कहने लगे, राजन इमाम ते राजन
Sukadev Goswami saying, "Hey Rajan,
आपके निकट अनेकों जो है
in front of you, I have
बड़े-बड़े राजाओं की
spoken about Gyan and Vairagya, about the big great kings. Katha I've spoken in the summer. Hey Rajan, Pariksit Maharaj, I've spoken about many kathas of Gyan and Vairagya, about the great kings to you.
अनेकों ज्ञान वैराग्य राजा की कथा, शिवी महाराज की कथा,
Like Shivi Maharaj's katha,
और क्या ना दानसिंह हरिश्चंद्र महाराज की कथा,
Harishchandra Maharaj's katha.
ऐसे राजाओं की कथा।
So I've spoken many kathas of all these different kings. Karna,
जैसे दान की कथा।
that Karna, how much donation.
तो ऐसे से अच्छा बताओ, ऐसे से दानवीर, कर्मवीर, ज्ञानवीर,
Even the
योगी,
Dhyan,
ऐसे कथा को-
yoga,
ज्ञान
Gyan.
वैराग्य की कथा को सुना है
said,
किसने?
why did you speak about this? Then Pariksit Maharaj is asking, then why did you spoke about all these kathas?
विशेष कोई वैशिष्ट नहीं है।
Because it's not anything
यहाँ पर
relates to
जितने
bhakti.
भी लोग बैठे हुए हैं,
Whoever
ऐसे
sitting
लोग
here,
बैठे हैं, उसी कथा को सुनने के लिए चाहते हैं।
Here many people are sitting here, they want to live. It depends on their status.
स्तर पर है, उस कथा को सुनकर जो प्रभावित होते हैं,
Yes, so you have to speak.
और कुछ नहीं है। किंतु ये समस्त कथा आपके लिए नहीं है।
So here this katha is
और
not for
उसमें
you.
जो सुना है आप कथा जो है, उसमें अंतर में उनके ज्ञान वैराग्य आदि के बाद
After
कहीं
ज्ञान
जाके
वैराग्य,
समग्र
that-
रूप में भक्ति में प्रवेश किया।
Then after that, listening to Gyan and Vairagya, then eventually
किंतु
there
ये
is bhakti.
नहीं है,
There
ज्ञान
is bhakti
वैराग्य के
katha.
द्वारा भक्ति प्राप्ति हो जाए, ऐसे भी जरूरी
It's
नहीं
like
है।
it's
ये
not
कहते
it's
हैं
not
ज्ञान
necessary
वैराग्य
that
को
listening to
भक्ति
Gyan
पूर्वक।
and Vairagya katha that
ज्ञान
bhakti
वैराग्य
will
को
manifest.
भक्ति का अंग नहीं है।
That is not the limb. Gyan and Vairagya
कोई
is not the
मानव
limb
बहुत
of
सुविधा
bhakti.
है।
If
अच्छा,
somebody
एक साथ में श्लोक याद करते हैं।
somebody remembers so many sloks, he
एक ही
remembers
साथ
a
में
pandit.
हजारों श्लोक वर्णन कर देते हैं।
He can maybe
जैसे वो
recite
ब्राह्मण
100
ज्ञान था,
100 slokas. Brahmin.
दिग्विजय पंडित जो थे,
Digvijay Pandit.
हैं, ये सब
Digvijay Pandit. Like he
हैं,
could
सरस्वती
recite
के परपुत्र,
Saraswati के पुत्र.
साक्षात सरस्वती देवी की
She
मजबूत करके अपने कंठ देश में रख दिया।
yes.
अच्छा, कुछ भी बोलते हैं,
Whatever
उसको
he used to
बोलते हैं।
speak, like as if Saraswati was speaking.
जिसकी कथा हम सुनाते हैं, चैतन्य महाप्रभु
When
हमारे
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
गुरु कैसे पराजित किए।
wasn't it
अच्छा, क्या
Kashmiri,
विद्यापति पंडित के
the
द्वारा
Vidyapati
भक्ति हो जाती है?
Pandit? Do you think that you get bhakti?
भक्ति के संबंध में कुछ नहीं।
No, there's no relationship with the bhakti with all these.
वो भक्ति के संबंध दिशा निर्देश करते हैं क्या?
Sometimes actually,
इसलिए ज्ञान वैराग्य को नहीं
Gyan
भक्ति का-
Vairagya is not
ये ज्ञान वैराग्य
bhakti.
भक्ति का अंग
Gyan
नहीं है।
Bhakti and Gyan and Vairagya is not the limb of bhakti.
स्वतंत्र
Bhakti is independent.
है। और वो भक्ति कैसे होती है?
Then how does that bhakti come?
ना भगवान की
Not Bhagwan
भक्त
Ti.
की
Bhakta.
संग से।
Only the bhakti comes in the Bhakta's Sangha.
भक्ति तो बहुत- भक्त
This association of the devotees.
सत्संग में जाता है। हैं? क्या?
Bhakta Bhakti.
सत्संग प्राप्त है, गंभीर सुकृति पूर्व संचित
So,
है। भक्त के जैसे से भक्त के
Bhakta.
संग किया जाए।
whoever you have Bhakta Sangha,
उस भक्त के संग से ही
with the Bhakta Sangha, then
और
the
एक
Bhakti
ज्ञान
manifests.
आगंतुक आ जाता है।
The Gyan and
हैं?
automatically. Yeah. The Vairagya and the Gyan, once the Bhakti comes, then the Gyan and Bhakti automatically come. So if you burn a rasi,
गरम करने के लिए
like
आप
you-
एक आग नहीं जलाया, आपका आग जलाया किस पे?
you light it up, the coal like a wood
ये
to
ज्ञान वैराग्य
cook,
अपने आप ही हो जाते हैं।
not to catch fire, not to fire, but that fire is used to cook. So like that, the kriya of the bhakti, the, by automatically, when you have bhakti, that jnana and vairagya will automatically happen. But they are not the limbs of bhakti. That's why he's saying. So Pariksit Maharaj is saying to Sukadeva Goswami, whatever I've spoken in front of you, I've spoken to you about great kings, I've spoken to you about Vairagya Katha, or Gyan Katha, like Chitrapat Maharaj's Katha, like Vishnu. Then Narad Rishi, because of Narad Rishi's kripa, he left everything. And then Chitragat Maharaj, how he became a Mahabhagavat. And then at the end, and he took Diksha. And he became a Uttam Bhagavat. So like sometimes Vishal, but because like Vishal, you know, the enjoyers, but because they have the sadhu sang, like the sang of a great Mahatmas, then they go towards bhakti. So here it says, the Sukadeva Goswami Maharaj is saying, Hey Pariksit Maharaj, I will speak other.
जिसमें विशेष करके जो है कृष्ण के सर्वोत्तम जो लीला माधुर्य जो है,
the Krishna's Madhurya Leela, I will speak to you.
मानो सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
Sukadeva
ऐसे
Goswami
उत्फुल्लित हो रहे हैं
he is so enthusiastic
सर्वोत्तम कथा को मैं
that I want to speak. I want to speak about the topmost Vraj Katha. All the kathas that are in Srimad Bhagavad, the most superior and the topmost are is Ras Leela. The most superior katha is Ras Leela. You've heard all these kathas from that Pariksit Maharaj didn't have that much so much eagerness, but he had more eagerness to listen to Ras Leela katha. That's why.
एक और 300 अध्याय,
3 31 1031 29
29 अध्याय, दसम खंड, 29 अध्याय,
10 what is it? 10
श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
then 10 canto 29th chapter. I don't know the numbers. 29. Canto 10, chapter 29. That's what they are. That Sukadeva Swami was so much eagerly waiting that when will I hear this katha.
तदुराज मुकुरुविकरै मुखं प्रत्यवलिं पनोरुरेण सन्तमयि स च दक्षिणां पुता अस्तु मृजनं प्रियं प्रियदेव दीर्घदर्शनम् दृष्ट्वा कुमुदमन्तम् अखण्डमण्डलं रणप्रमाणनवं नवकुङ्कुमम् आरुणम् वनंचल कोमरकोविरंजितं जगौकलं वामोदीशामनोहरं निसम्मगीतं तदनन्दवर्धनं व्रजस्त्रिय कृष्णागृहीतमानसा आदौ अनुरङ्गलक्षितोद्यमा सजत्रकान्तो जवलोकुण्डला
Srila Sukadeva Goswami Pad is saying, Hey Maharaj Pariksit, now I will speak Ras Leela Katha. In this Lal Ras Leela's face, our Acharya Pad is saying these 5 Adhyay, Panchapran. These 5 Adhyay means Panchapran. From chapter 29 to chapter 29 to 33. 33.
29 से लेकर के 33
Chapter 29 to 33, that is the 5
ये कथा
Panch.
अतीब सुंदर
This katha
और
is so beautiful
हृदय को जो है
that will
स्पर्श करने वाला
really melt your heart.
है। क्योंकि इस कथा की
This
अंत में
katha,
जाने रासलीला की महत्व,
the anta is Raslila
श्रवण
katha.
की जो महत्व,
The,
स्वयं सुखदेव गोस्वामी
that
पास
Sukadeva Goswami,
दो श्लोक के द्वारा ही
in the
वर्णन
two
करते हैं।
slok, he's speaking 2 sloks, he's saying.
विशेष करके एक श्लोक जो
This
है
one, especially this one slok is,
हैं? महात्म श्लोक है। इदं च विष्णु श्रद्धान्वित अनुसृतां वर्णे दत्त विकीर्तन प्रजमुनि इदं च विष्णु श्रद्धान्वित अनुसृतां वर्णे दत्त भक्तिं प्राण भगवती विलप्प कामो हृद्रोग आसु अपनति अचिनीन। वास्तव ये कथा की महत्व अति गंभीर है।
this is so serious. When we listen to katha,
हम अध्ययन करते हैं,
if we study
उसके
the
परिणाम
katha,
को फलश्रुति क्या है?
then
फलश्रुति समझ में आया?
Palasuti means
कबीर साहब, फलश्रुति क्या है? जो सुन करके
when we hear this katha,
क्या फल मिलेगा?
kya, what benefit,
भाई हम इतने समय तक
what
बैठे,
benefit
दो
we
घंटे
get,
बैठे,
that we sat down for so many hours, we listen. So what benefit was it to us?
और हमारे पास कुछ पैसा हो जाता है।
Like, you know, if
और संत महात्मा के पास
if
आके
Santa
दो घंटे
Mahatma is
बैठे,
like, you said
ऐसा
is
क्या
Santa Mahatma, what do you, if you're working those 2 hours somewhere else, then you get money, right?
हम जब
But
संत
you are
महात्मा
sitting
के पास
here
बैठते हैं,
in
हम
front
तो
of a
पैसा
Sant
नहीं
Mahatma. We want some
ना
faida,
कुछ।
we want some labh, we
ऐसे
want
जैसे
something.
ठंडी के समय
It is so cold, and we've got a blanket on or a shawl on, and we are sitting, and then we are listening to katha. You know, the Buddhi, the old lady's katha. There was one old lady.
एक तो प्रत्यक्ष है जहाँ पर कथा होती थी, मैं
मेरे-
जाकर के बात बैठ जाती थी। कहाँ बैठती थी? बिल्कुल दीवार पर जो है,
Wherever there
सारा
was
देखते थे।
kathas, she would go and sit in the kathas, and she would sit by the wall,
दीवार पर
by the wall, like, you know, the support of the wall. She would sit at the end by the wall, and for the support of the wall.
कथा प्रारंभ होने के
And
साथ
then
ही साथ
as soon as
बस
the katha
उनकी
starts,
नींद चालू हो जाती है।
she goes to
कथा
sleep.
समाप्त, जय जय
Jai
श्री राम।
Hare Sham. And then
नींद खुल जाती है।
and then she would wake
और
up.
नींद खुलने के बाद
She would wake up at the end of the katha.
भाई देखो,
And then
श्रोता कहते हैं, उतना ही तो
श्रोता-
होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए? भाई वक्ता इतने समय 2
the
घंटे जो बोला,
bhakta, you know, the speaker who's speaking for a couple of hours, saying, hey Maharaj,
आपने जो आज कथा सुना कैसे लगा? कैसे गजब की कथा महाराज।
Maharaj spoke such a nice katha to them. Even if you don't understand or not, but at least you can say that, right? You come to listen a katha, so at least you can speak to Maharaj. He said, oh, your katha was very nice, both sundar, very nice.
ये संसार में ऐसे होते हैं।
In
ये मैं
Sansar
आपको
Ji's,
उदाहरण दे देता हूँ।
I will give an example of bhakta.
अच्छा ये संसार में भाई ये
In this sansar,
रसोइया जो अच्छी तरह
the
से
rasoya,
बनाए,
if somebody
घर के
cooks
जो
very
लोग
nice,
उनके घर-
like, you know, he made really, because he sweated and made so much cooking.
खाना खाने
And
वाले
then,
जो है,
and the person who ate this, and then he ate it, and then he just left, and then he didn't speak anything. Then the person who's a cook, the cook would cook, didn't say anything, she would feel sad.
कम से
But
रसोई जैसे भी बनी,
but then at least somebody who says there's less salt,
वहाँ
there's
से
missing.
प्रसाद है, अमृत।
at least say through the cook, somebody who's cooking, saying yes, at least tell him like, oh yes, your prasad was great, you know, it was really delicious.
मूल्यवान वस्तु क्या है? आप
What is
बताओ।
Malvan? Speech.
ये वचन है।
Vachan, speech. What is the very precious is the speech.
हाँ, वचन है, वचन
The
है,
speech,
कीर्तन।
you know, nice sweet
अरे
words.
इतना ही तो बोल करके जाओ
At
कि
least
हाँ,
you can
महाराज,
speak, hey Maharaj,
आपकी कथा से
your
इतनी
katha was
गजब,
very
हाँ,
nice
हाँ,
today.
बहुत
Both sundar.
जैसे भी हो,
Just even though it wasn't, but at least you can speak that. If you at least whether you listen to the katha properly or not, but still you can at least say that. Oh wow, what a nice katha.
ऐसे बताओ जितने लोग यहाँ पर बैठे, कोई
महाराज,
आगे है, बचे हैं,
There's so many here. પછી
पहले आए कोई
some
बीच में आए कोई
some
अंत में
some
आए।
some
तो
came
सब
in the
समझ में थोड़ी आए।
some
जो
came
अंत
in
में
the
आया,
beginning
उसको
of
क्या
katha.
मानना पड़ेगा?
Some people came in the middle of the katha. Some people
जो
came
बीच में
at the
आया,
end
समझ
of the
में आया, जो
katha.
सामने से बैठे और जो पीछे बैठे उसके
So
समझ में थोड़ी आता है।
it's not
उसको
like
समझ में आता है, कुछ भी नहीं आता है।
it doesn't mean that they are
तो
sitting
ये
at the
महाराज
back.
कैसे सुना? पीछे बैठे
That,
तो थोड़ी है,
so
सामने बैठे।
they said don't sit at
जो
the
सुनने वाला है,
back.
वो
If you
सामने
want to
बैठता है,
if you
जो
want to
सुनने वाला
really
है,
listen to
जो श्रोता है, श्रोता है।
katha, if you want to listen to the katha, you'll really actually sit in the front in the front, right? Then sota. So if you want to sleep, then sit at the back.
सुनने के लिए सब थोड़ी आते हैं।
Not everybody comes to listen to the katha.
सब अपने अपने
Some
धुन में रहते हैं। हाँ?
they come,
हाँ, तो जैसी जैसी।
They
लेकिन
come-
भाई ये तो नहीं
they
सिखा
come,
सकते हो।
yes.
बचने न किन दरिद्रता। जान के सुनाई पड़े
at least you've listened to the katha. Even if you don't understand, you can still say, at least Maharaj, he spoke very well.
खम्बे का तारा लेके बैठते हैं नरसिंह देव के भक्त से।
हाँ। भाई हम लोग
He says that people who sit by the pillar, the support of the pillar, they are Narasimha Bhagwan's bhakta.
ये देखो एक व्यक्ति कोई संत महात्मा के पास गए।
So he went to one person went to Sant Mahatma and said, Maharaj,
घर में मेरा पत्नी जो हॉर्स रोज जाए करवा करते हैं।
my wife is
मैं
always
कभी-कभी
going.
सोचता हूँ कि सब छोड़ छाड़ करके आपके पास आ जाओ।
My wife is always
देखो,
arguing
दिन
every
रात मैं
day.
ऑफिस में काम करता हूँ,
Day
ऑफिस में
day
जाता
and
हूँ,
night, day
ऑफिस
all
में
day.
कुछ लेट हो जाए, कुछ
Sometimes
हो
I
जाए, हमारे ऊपर
go to the
वाले
office. Sometimes the buses are late.
बोलते रहते हैं, काम इतने जोर देते
So
हैं।
sometimes I have more work to do. What
अब
can
घर में
I
आगे,
do? And when I
बस,
come home,
पत्नी के वही शुरू हो जाता है।
bas the saruda, the tape recorder of the life. The wife starts talking today this I don't have salt, this I don't have this, there's no rice. They complain about the children, they are sick, they are this, that start. Gen. So chalu. So it's to please her. Please, okay, you do just one mantra jap. To please your wife, what is this mantra? Which mantra is it? Very simple mantra. Like, whatever she prepares for you, you glorify it, Like this is something speciality about women. Like whoever cooks, then you have to say that, oh, what do you say? So when you go home, wow, what you cooked was so nectar. Like, yes. So that day, his wife, paratha, mulika paratha, aloo ka bhatwa, kubita.
जो बना दे आपकी काम पत्नी आई नहीं है क्या?
नहीं आई नहीं।
कल धनिये से बनाई।
हाँ अच्छा चलो। बोले देखो बिल्कुल
Okay, so
अच्छा चलो बजरे की जो रोटी बनाई।
so you make so much nice makai, the maize roti, and put butter on it. And so she gave to the husband on the plate the hot roti, and then chak. So if he remembered his mantra that Maharaj gave him, so he said, oh, you said, oh, what a nice that. So the wife, then he said, oh, for 30 years you never married, but you never said that I cook very nicely, and today you are saying, wow, what very nice food. And she's saying, this paratha I got from the neighbors.
भाई देखो अभी कभी ऐसे करो देख समझ करके करो तो नहीं हो सकता है वास्तव ये है
what is it saying?
वास्तव फलस्वती हमें हम राष्ट्र की करने से हमें फल क्या
what is our benefit? What is our fruit when we are listening to his katha? This Madhur Leela, you have to listen with Shraddha. This Ras Leela, whatever we are going to speak, what is the speciality of it is that you have to listen with faith. You have to listen. If you listen with faith, then you will benefit. Then you will get fruit of it. Whatever you do, you have to do it with nistha. You have to do it with priti. Even bhajan you do. How should you do your bhajan? With shraddha, with priti. Even Shastra say that. The katha we are speaking, the nitum, shraddha nitam, atanda, very vishwas, faith, shraddha and vishwas, shraddha and faith, that Ras Leela, when Bhagwan is speaking, Bhagwan is saying that this Ras Leela is written. Bhagwan is said, which Bhagwan? Sham Sundar, Krishna. Krishnastu Bhagwan Swayam. So you Swayam Bhagwan, Sham Sundar. Who is Ramchandra? Ramchandra didn't do Ras Leela. Narayan, Lord Narayan of Vaikuntha hasn't done Ras Leela. It's Swayam Ras. So with Vishwas, you have to Vishwas, listen to the katha. Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare,
Ramananda.
Hare